Yo, what's up? It's your boy KJ the Junior. What's up, YouTube? What's up? Alright, let's leave it there. What's up, Instagram? Nah. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy KJ the Junior. And I'm back with another video. Guess what, nigga? Today we smashing or passing the smash or the pass. So today is smash or pass, nigga. So you know what? I decided to smash or pass girls on my Instagram, you feel me? The girls that I have, or the girls that I follow, or the girls who follow me on Instagram. So today I decided to make a video smashing or passing them, you feel me? So today it's a smash or pass. So the smash, yeah, I think I'll smash. Yeah. Pass. Yeah, let's pass that one. Yeah, let's pass. But you don't have to smash anyone, man. Hey, do you know Geo? Do you know? Have you ever heard of Geo? You guys are playing, you're just smashing everyone like you're mashing potatoes. Eh? Don't smash everyone. You must have your own people. Don't just smash everyone. I'm not saying anything, I'm just saying. So yeah, it's a pass for me, that one. So yeah, smash. 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 This guy's like is smashing everyone. Hey, KJ, do you know? Yeah, do you know him, bro? Nah, don't worry. When I mean, like, yeah. So yeah, why not? Pass. Oh, smash. We smashy. And then we're passing, you know, smashing, we're passing, we're smashing. It's a pass for me. I pass, man. Man. You see, guys, let me tell you something. I know you are a guy and you cannot control your. I know, but then don't smash everyone. Don't smash everyone. I'm telling you, especially here in Venda. Don't smash everyone, dog. Must look, cause if you don't look, hey, let me keep quiet. But then let's continue. Smash. Pass. Yeah, let's pass. Oh, that one. Let's smash. Let's smash here. Let's smash here. I pass. Pass. You must not smash everyone. Hey. This is the last one. Smash. Yeah. Yo, what's up? Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for watching my video. You know, yeah, that one was the smash. That one was the smash or pass. And if you smashed your girlfriend, and forgive me, man. At least I didn't really smash. I was just smashing with my mouth. But then if I get a chance, yeah, you know. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. It's your boy KJ the Junior. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you don't want to subscribe, subscribe. And if you want to subscribe, subscribe. Yeah, and like the video if it's dope. And if it's not dope, like the video. Thanks. Yeah. Smash.